As morning breaks and I wake, my eyes open wide to see the sunlight melting all the dreams I had last night. A memory flashes through the cobwebs of my tangled mind, in search for clues to what to do to leave the past behind. How can I help you forgive me? How can I ever forget you? What thoughts of you run through my mind like rivers through the sea? How can I help you forgive me? Darkness falls, the morning comes, and I'm alone again, wishing I could turn around